Hello folks, Clinton Tyler coming to you guys on behalf of Club Cash Fund, and I haven't done a video in quite some time as I've been promoting other things, trying to get those particular programs off the ground, which I have. But Club Cash Fund is always being promoted, even though you don't see videos. So this is an account that I manage for my wife, just to give you guys an update on my commissions. And thus far, this particular account has earned $3,400, and my personal account has earned $14,450. So that's a total of about $17,800 and I think $50. So $17,850 has been earned in Club Cash Fund, and my current sales for this week. I don't know why it does that, but this is showing the $80 for the account that I manage for my wife for this week, and I'm gonna have to log out and log back in to mine to show you the commissions for this week. So you saw $80 for the one I managed for my wife. And the one for me is at $690. So that's pretty good so far. So it's over $700, close to $800 for this week, and still have tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday to go. So this could get to another $1,000 plus week. And as you see, I've earned in this one account over $14,000. So it's going pretty good. As we speak, I'm in the process of placing some peel and stick labels on some postcards. I'm getting ready to send some postcards out, and I do my drop cards. I got $100 bill drop cards that I drop on the ground with my domain name on the inside of them. And they've been working pretty well also. It's getting a lot of kit requests, and kit requests most times turns into sign up. So hey, I'm gonna continue to plug away. Just want to show you guys that it's still working for me, even though you haven't seen a video. But hey, reach out to me, and if you want to see the have access to the mailing list that I use to do direct mail with these postcards, shoot me an email. You'll see it in the description of this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next video. God bless you guys, and take care.